Hi and welcome to this week's online assembly.
We acknowledge the Bunurong people of the Kulin Nation as the traditional owners and custodians of the land on which we gather, learn and grow, and we recognize their continuing connection to land, water and culture.
We pay our respects to the elders and young people of the past, present and future generations, and to all Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander peoples.
Australians, all let us rejoice, for we are one and free, with golden soil and wealth of toil. Our home is girt by sea, our land abounds in nature's gifts of beauty rich and rare. In history's page, let every stage advance Australia fair. In joyful strains, then let us sing advance Australia fair.
Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Wrigley here with this week's Principals Report. I've got a few important things to share with you today. Firstly, our Parent Opinion Survey has now gone out to a random selection of 300 families across our school. If your family has received the email with an invitation to complete the survey, we would really appreciate you taking the time to do it. The survey takes around 20 minutes to complete and is available in English as well as 10 other languages, so there's lots of different options for our families. And your feedback is really important to us because it helps us understand what we're doing really well and, importantly, where we can continue to improve. So if you receive the survey link, please remind your mum and dad or your carer to complete it because we would love to hear from them. Now, can you believe it? Father's Day is not far away. Our fabulous Father's Day stall is happening on Friday the 4th of September, and we're looking for as many parent helpers as we can get for our Father's Day stall. We simply couldn't run the stall without our amazing parents and carers who volunteer their time to help us. So if mum or dad or another family member is able to help, please make sure they complete the parent helper form and return it to us by next week. And finally, get excited because next week is Book Week. And that means our Book Week Dress Up Day and Parade is happening on Wednesday. This is always one of the very best days of the school year. We absolutely love seeing everyone dressed up as some of their favourite book characters. And I know our staff are getting excited about what they're going to wear too. So our parade will be in the gym at 9:10 and all of our parents and families are all invited to come along and watch. And speaking of costumes, I wonder what our staff theme will be this year. I'm not sure I can tell you just yet. Let's just say you might need to keep your eyes peeled. You might see us or you might not. And even if you do see us, you might have a little bit of trouble finding us. I wonder if you'll be able to recognise us on the day. You'll just have to wait and see. Have a wonderful week, everyone, and I'll see you at the Book Week Parade on Wednesday. Bye now.
Next week's respect expectation is I celebrate all community members. You can do this by treating all people with dignity and respect.
Oh, Miss Rumble, you dropped these.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for your help.
Excuse me, Miss Rumble, I'll get the door for you.
Make sure you are following the respect expectations in the classroom and in the yard.
Hello and welcome to this week's Student Talk. I'm Suhan and this is Suranjan. Today we're interviewing Mo and Cami from 6G. And now on to the questions. If you could travel to any country, where would you go?
I'll go Spain.
I'll go to Greece.
What job do you want to do when you grow up?
I'll be a professional rugby player.
I want to be a nurse.
If you could have one superpower, what would it be?
To fly.
Teleportation.
If you could be any animal, what would you be?
A lion.
I want to be a cheetah.
What's something new you learned at school this year?
Too many to answer,
Timetables.
What is your favorite sport?
Volleyball.
Rugby.
What is 3 words that best describe you?
Kind, helpful, and silly.
Athletic, helpful, and kind.
What is your favorite pizza topping?
Cheese.
Pepperoni.
What do you think came first, the chicken or the egg?
The chicken.
Yeah, the chicken as well.
What is your favorite thing to do in the weekends?
Play games on my phone or iPad.
For me, probably going outside, playing with some friends.
Thank you, Mo and Cami, for your time today. Stay tuned for more student talk next week. Bye.
Bye.
All right, everyone, you know what time it is. Hands up, who's ready to get giggly? Who's ready for this week's joke? Here we go. What has 4 wheels and flies? 10 seconds thinking time. See if you can work out what it is. All right, time's up. Let's see how you went. What has 4 wheels and flies? A rubbish truck. Do you get it? I hope you liked that one. Keep making each other laugh, keep giving each other a bit of a giggle, and enjoy the rest of your week. Bye now.
Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Perkins back with some more breaking news. And this week we want to highlight our amazing book club. Did you know that book club has been around for a long time? Even when I was in primary school, I had book club and I love purchasing books and stationery each time a new issue arrived. And this issue, we have some special discounts for us. If you purchase from our book club, this issue 6, you will get a $5 discount towards your purchase in the next issue. Also, 15% of your order will come back to our school so that we can use it to build up our resources so we can have lots of things available for our students. Isn't that a great offer? So I challenge everyone to have a look through this issue's book club, and maybe you might find a cheap little purchase for yourself. I've got some assistants with me that are going to show us which items that they would like to purchase from the book club. Let's have a look.
For the issue of book club, I would like to buy this fluffy kitty diary so I can write stuff, some personal stuff in it.
Lovely. And Omar?
And I would like to get this book in book club because I really like games and Sonic.
Awesome. And while you're here, I'd love to ask you, what do you plan on dressing up for the book parade next week?
Maybe Cat in the Hat or Wally.
Very good. And Omar?
I would dress up as the green dinosaur from Toy Story.
Oh, that sounds like a good choice. Thank you so much for helping me with breaking news this week. Bye.
Bye.
That brings us to the end of this week's online assembly. Remember to keep showing respect to our teachers, our classmates, and ourselves.
We hope to have an amazing week full of learning, laughter, and respectful choices. Stay safe and be proud. We will see you next time. Bye.
Bye.